Welcome to Ucode. In this video, we'll explore how to configure layouts in Ucode. By the end of this tutorial, we'll learn how to customize layouts, add layout sections, and manage layout tabs for better data organization. Let's get started. To begin, we need to navigate to the table which we want to configure. For example, countries table which we created in the previous video guide. We choose this table because it has all needed features like fields, relations, and others. Click the settings icon in the top right corner of the header. In the settings menu, navigate to the second tab labeled layouts. This is where we'll find all layout management options. The layouts tab provides a centralized place to view, edit, and customize the layout of your table's interface. Once inside the layouts tab, we'll see all the layouts currently available in the system. Each layout is displayed along with options to customize it. Next to each layout, we'll find several toggles. Default toggle. This option allows us to set a layout as the default. Model toggle. Use this toggle to manage model-specific layouts. Remove tabs toggle. This option enables us to remove tabs from the selected layout. Toggles provide quick options to control how the layout is applied and displayed across different areas of your workspace. To apply a layout to specific tables, use the multi-select drop-down located next to the toggles. Choose the tables from a list to customize where this layout is used. Then next to the drop-down section, we can see Edit and Delete button with their own icons. Let's update an existing layout. Click the Edit icon next to it. For example, let's rename a layout to Dashboard and rearrange its fields. Editing layouts lets us make changes as our project evolves, ensuring the interface always meets our needs. If a layout is no longer needed, simply click the Delete icon to remove it and confirm the action. For now, we won't click this button as our guide isn't complete yet, but if needed later, just click the Delete icon to remove the layout. Next, let's explore the Layout Edit function in the Layout section. Click the Edit button on an existing layout from the Layout settings. On the Layout Edit page, we can create tabs like Field tabs, Relation tabs, Section tabs, or Relation tables, can create sections and edit already created fields and tabs. Tabs allow us to organize data into categories, improving navigation and clarity. One more great function in the layout is, we can rearrange fields within a layout using drag and drop functionality. For example, in order to demonstrate, first let's create one more section under label New Section, and then move the countries field below to the new section. As we can see, this is very easy to use. To modify a field or tab, click the three dots icon next to it. For instance, let's update some data from existing fields. For example, we can rename the number of residents field to population. As well as we can do same thing with existing tabs. Similarly, we can delete fields or tabs by clicking the delete icon. For now we will not click delete button, cause we have not finished our video guide. Once the layout is configured, return to the table view to see how it looks. Open an item layout and check if the sections, fields, and tabs are displayed as expected. Testing the layout ensures everything is correctly configured and user-friendly. And that's it. We've successfully configured layouts in Ucode. By customizing sections, tabs, and fields, you can create an intuitive interface tailored to your project. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.